Sometimes you don't just eat rice. Don't just eat rice the way you usually eat rice. Come, let me show you the way I made this simple coconut white rice and chicken sauce. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel today, and this is the place where I share my kitchen activities to my friends online. I love to showcase what I do in my kitchen, and that's simply amazing. It helps me to improve my cooking, and also happy that other people are learning from what I'm doing. So in today's video, guys, I'll be sharing with you how I made this coconut white rice using some kind of little vegetables you can find around the corner, which are inexpensive. So go away from norm and eat healthier today. I first of all parboiled my rice and then poured it back into the pot, adding little seasoning cube, salt, and used my coconut milk, which you can also grate. Use your fresh coconut milk, or you can use the canned one. It's that simple. Once you've added all this aforementioned, then go ahead and mix until it's properly mixed. Then cover it and allow it to cook until it's about 90% done. And of course, only the coconut milk will not be able to get the rice properly cooked. I added some extra little water that will enable the rice properly cooked. At this point, my rice was 80% Please done. Pardon me, the quantity of rice in the pot is much, so I had to reduce it to complete the cooking process. So as I reduced the rice, I went in with my diced carrots, chopped vegetables. As you can see, I'll be dropping the list of my ingredients or vegetables used in the description box. Please don't forget to check it out, as it also help you in this process. So my friend, go ahead and mix until it's properly mixed. Then the rice is ready. Guys, this rice is as tasty as whatever you can imagine. This is how Chinese rice is made, isn't it? Well, that's been done and set aside. Let's proceed into making our chicken sauce. In today's video, I used a whole lot of chicken because I was having a large number of people around and I need to satisfy all of them. It gives me so much joy. If you're watching this video up to this point, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share for more important and interesting content from my channel, guys. So after I was done spicing and cooking the chicken, I didn't cook it. It was 100% tender. I cooked it. It was about 85% tender, and then went ahead to fry. Then got a fresh pot, added vegetable oil, onions, ginger garlic paste, and then went in with my other seasoning. Feel free to use any seasoning of your choice. To thicken this chicken sauce, I use corn flour. You can also use coconut milk to thicken your chicken sauce. Whichever works for you is fine. Just follow the process on this video. So guys, as my sauce was boiling, I went in with my already mixed corn flour and then added my veggies, which you can see. As I said earlier, I'll be dropping all of the vegetables and ingredients used in this video in my description box. Once it cooked for extra 2 to 3 minutes, I went in with my already fried chicken. The chicken, I didn't allow it to fry for too long. I just allowed it to, get that golden brown color, and I was good to go, or I am good to go, or you too can be good to go. Guys, our food is ready. Get your plate, get your spoon as usual. One for you, one for me. Let's have fun this season and always. Remember to show love wherever you are, for there is love in sharing. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video, guys. Bye.